We're standing in front of the MVF range from SMEC, and if there's one thing that you should take away from this video, is the fact that SMEC are able to customise your machines. The amount of options that you can get on SMEC machines now is incredible, isn't it, Paul?
Yeah, I mean, this is a big statement from them this week here at EMO. 677 square metres of a stand, lots of world premieres, this being one. Okay, I was just talking to Michael earlier. This was launched, I mean, the machine's been around for a couple of years, but this is their sort of, you know, this is a statement time to say, look, you know, if you want 5-axis machining, but you want to select, like you say, certain things, spindles, control systems, automation, all of those
tooling
things.
magazine, variations.
There's really a lot of options available on the machines, yeah.
Now, we've got two models behind us, the MVF 4000 and the 5000, so they've got choice in the size of the range as well, haven't they?
They have. One machine here's got a BT spindle, the other machine's got an HSK spindle. They're both direct drive, I think 15,000 on one, 18,000 on the other. You've got automation on this machine here. You've got expandability. Here you've got the Siemens, the latest Siemens control system, which we can see also on the screen behind us. So they've kind of wanted to show a couple of machines with that vary in size as well as the spec too. Okay, what's
the USP for SMEC then with their 5-axis range?
Well, I think they're recognising clearly that you know, the days where people are taking apart on a vertical machining centre and moving it through different processes are kind of, they're not gone, but people want to machine parts in one hit. They want to hit
develop.
All faces.
They want to advance their machine shops to take it next level.
Absolutely, even the job shops. Michael said himself, this is a big target market for them. Of course, in the UK, Dugard are the representative for these machines. You know, there'll be plenty of opportunity across sectors, aerospace, automotive, as Michael said, general job shops. So they want to get into the market where they offer their vertical machining centres with Bannock, Siemens, Mitsubishi controls, but now here is an opportunity to go 5-axis with SMEC.
Okay, any more features that have really impressed you?
I think if I take the stand in general, I think there's automation on here, which actually is integrated from one of their partners, yet you do have SMEC automation on the stand too.
You do.
So they've got their own sort of pick and place units that you can put onto the machine. You've obviously got options with the tool changes, you've got options on the machine through spindle. There's lots of choice, and I think that would be the message I would take away from this stand, is that there isn't much. If you're a manufacturer and you want to machine parts, whether it be in a production environment or prototyping, you know, we spoke earlier about the weight and the size of these machines, how heavy duty they are.
Yeah.
If you're looking at something that's going to last the test of time, but their message in Europe is very clear as well. This for them is a market that they really want to become much stronger in. So, you know, kind of watch out, I suppose, is the message from these guys. They really are going to town to you know, to get their machines in the market.
Well, there you have it. It just shows that SMEC are here to stay and here to support you as a customer.